Bande Matram, good morning. So, welcome all of you. This is a great morning. We are going to discuss a great topic in this great assembly. So, the topic of the discussion will be moms will be moms. Moms, we know our mother, we call out of love, affection, out of our cheerfulness, we call moms. In many names, any forms, we call moms. Anyway, it is at present, this is a great style. People usually call moms. So, because we are following mama, papa, daddy, ma, so many words, many forms we are using. Anyway, mom is a very familiar term, so this age we especially see. So we will find the very interesting topic. Moms will be moms. Does not matter what you are. So here are some moms talk we'll take. These are we will start from these great people, great inventors, great personalities, great persons and personalities we are going to take, and what their mom actually thinks of them. So then we'll try to go simultaneously with the Divine Mother's comments and her affections and love. Anyway, we'll see first Isaac Newton. We know that apple fell down, center of gravity, etc. But the apple is falling down. He's sitting under a tree. That story we have known. And he put up his brain and discovered the center of gravity, gravitational force, and all. But his mother already will know the mother's talk. His mother actually expresses. But did you wash the apple before eating it? He is actually least concerned what that gravitational force, what research you are doing, how you are great, does not matter. But thing is just he is very much careful in estimating. Did you wash the apple before you eat? Like this, we have seen that Archimedes principle. We know that emerging the thing in the water or in liquid, some amount of water is displaced. That displaced amount is the weight of the really which the weight the original thing has lost. That is the Archimedes principle. Anyway, when he was on the last day, he was trying to take bath in his actually in the bathroom, in the bathtub. That time he got the idea and Eureka, Eureka shouted and started running to the palace to the king. Then its mother stuck. Did not have any shame running naked in the street from here? And who this girl Eureka? You are shouting of the Eureka, being naked. You are moving. You are running on the road. Who this girl idea Eureka is? Then we can take the example of Thomas Edison's, your mother, actually, that bulb. Of course, I am proud that you have invented the electric bulb. I am proud, mother's talk. Now turn it off and go to bed. It's too late. You go to bed, turn it off. I am proud even though you have discovered it. Then Abraham Lincoln, president of US, her mom's talk. Now that you have become the president of United States, for heaven's sake, get rid of the shabby tailcoat and strop pipe hat and buy for yourself a decent outfit because you are the president of India. Ordinary chains, ordinary style, ordinary these apparels are not suitable for you. Again, we have got that James Watt, great scientist we have known. His mother talks anyway. If you just keep waiting that the dam lead lifting drooping, rice will be burnt. And then actually because it is weightage power you are just measuring and you just do turn up the stove now because this rice will go and you will take nothing. That will be the end of the game. Then again, Alexander Graham Bell, we have known Graham Bell, the great scientist. So you have installed this new silly thinking in the house, all right, but I don't want the girls calling you at the all odd hour, that bell and all. So be conscious, be conscious, but be conscious. Then we'll go for the Galileo Galilei. So invented the telescope we have known. Mom's talk. What use of seeing that God-man moon with your telescope if it does not help me to see my mother in Milano? My mother is in Milano. I want to see it, but I don't want to. It is. I don't think it is helpful to me if you keep looking at the moon. So that is may be helpful to you, but it will not help me in seeing my mother in Milano. Then Samuel Morse, that tick 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 that you have known, Morse code. So makes your mom's talk. Make sure you are at a school. Repeat the card. Does not have only dashes and dots. So your school report card will come. It must not be packed with the dashes and dots. That's what you be kept very careful and very serious. Again, Mona Lisa, the smile famous still now. That is a great portrait till now. His mother's mom's stuff. After all that money you and your mother and I spent on your braces. Is that the best smile that you can give us? We have spent so much thing. We have spent so much money. Is this the smile you are going to give us the gift? That is what? Then we'll go for the Michelangelo, the great painter. Can't you paint on walls, Mother Stock? Can't you paint on walls like other children? Do you have the idea how hard it is to get that stuff of the ceiling? Just imagine how the painter is getting advised and, of course, threatened by the mother. Albert Einstein, we know Einstein. So mom's talk. Can't you do something about your hair? That stylist hair. Can't you do something on your hair? Use styling gel or something about that will keep your hair glittering and shining. Then Bill Gates, the president, the richest man with this Microsoft. So keep your browsing all day long, no problem. Watch out if I ever catch on my adult website. So just imagine, be careful, watch out if I ever catch you on my very adult website. Then you say Fahrenheit, Daniel Fahrenheit, that temperature, that thermometer. So stop playing with boiling water and let me make a cup of tea. So just leave this boiling water. Let me have a cup of tea that I want. George Ohm, resistance. So I don't like you resisting everything I say. So that is not required. That was the mom's talk. Of course, these are those silly talks, imaginations, everything. Robert Boyle, Boyle's law, Charles' law. We have seen P pressure is universally proportional to P. P is constant. So if your volume is really inversely proportional to the pressure, volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. This means P and V, that is constant. You must be having a constipation. Take a laxative. So just imagine how the mothers are seeing in their own eyes. Then Voltas. We have seen Voltas, Alessandro Voltas, his mother's talk. It is shocking to see you will be you all in dipping those copper and zinc rods in that beaker. So it is interesting. It is actually shocking. Both the rods, copper and zinking, you are dipping both the rods in the beaker. Then comes ampere current, that unit ampere, electric current. Apart from fooling around all the time, shall you ever find time to glance over the current books? You are always busy with the electric current. Can you be a little bit careful to look at your books? Then we know Columbus, obviously, that discovered America. So I don't see what you are busy in discovering and where. Could not you get any time to drop a two-line letter for me? Just imagine Columbus, where it is, what great job he is doing, but mother is interested. Mom's word, you should have dropped a two-line letter for me. Socrates, if you keep drinking from any cup, It is not necessary that you will become, you will be sordid. So, like Mirabai. So just imagine all these are the things. The great moms, great men's moms, they don't know what is exactly happening, but thing is that they are only concerned over their own talks because they are shown that love affection exists. Of course, these are the imaginary talks we have taken. Now itself we will go for this Mother's talk. Somebody like Surendra Johar, one day he went to meet the Divine Mother. Mother asked, "How are you?" Then he's asking, "I am very unhappy, very sad. I am feeling miserable, discouraged, disappointed, depressed, and very much disgusted." Just imagine the terms he used: unhappy, very sad. I am feeling miserable, discouraged, disappointed, depressed, and very much disgusted. Again, mother immediately stood up and went inside, brought a big size dictionary, kept on her lap and asking, "These are not, these the words you have used. These are not existing in my dictionary. In my dictionary, the words really existing are happy. They are unhappy, it was happy. They are itself sad, it is cheerful. Then actually, then it has come, I am feeling miserable, here actually they are joyful. They are discouraged, here encouraged. They are actually disappointed, here mother is using the word hopeful. They are actually depressed, here exhilarated, and just pleased. Unpleased, disgusted, he was using, but mother pleased, used the word pleased. So simultaneously, Surendra Johar used the terms, "I am unhappy, sad, feeling miserable, discouraged, disappointed, depressed, and very much disgusted." Mother used, "These are not existing in my, these words are not existing in my dictionary. In my dictionary, the words are found happy, cheerful, joyful, encouraged, hopeful, exhilarated, and peaceful, pleased." Just imagine, this is the mother. Another mother you have already seen, like you with the order and advice of the father. Then the son, like Parsuram, he beheaded the mother's head and was running to his father. Then immediately the blood was dropping on the ground. That time mother said is sleeping, "Son, be little slow because you are a small guy and catching the head like a big head, so somewhere you will get down, you will get hurt. So naturally nobody will be there to help you because I am dead, I am gone, I am beheaded." Just imagine, these are the figures. And now we'll see couple of terms, couple of lines from mother as the mother advises. Very interestingly, mother says, "From many years I have got this feeling that actually people, these students, these children, they are not dangerous. They are not at all idle. They don't revolt. They are so most dangerous is their parents, but not the things they are not." So anyway, mother again, mother actually tries to explain us, like with you, my relation is like a child. So mother and child, our relation is actually very much simple, very much spontaneous. So try to get up, or you will be saved from all difficulties and all obstacles. Again, we will see mother how it is actually, mother explains. So if you have the sincere aspiration, then you just enter into the spiritual life. Sometimes you will feel most danger will come. You will have quarrel with even the most favorable friend, most relative, and you may be kicked out from your home also. That can happen. But still, then don't get discouraged because I am with you. Then, mother, course, your human education, it must start from the very time of the birth, and it must spread throughout life. Try to change yourself if you want to change the world. So the education to the world must be the manifestation of the spirit. With the spirit, actually, we must not, if it is not spiritual education, then naturally this falsehood and this roughness will never go. If you want peace in the world, try to have peace in the heart, in your heart only. That is the most thing. So mother has said, it is for the heaven's sake, don't beat your children, because it will make them actually egoistic or something, actually very much rough. So mother quotes, if you want the best gift someone can give, to educate oneself. Thank you.